Hey family, in this video I will be making raspberry cheesecake 2 ways, baked and unbaked. These are the ingredients that I will be using in the video for my raspberry cheesecake. That tub is actually delicious honey coconut Greek yogurt from Sophia's Greek Pantry. Now first we are going to start off by breaking down our raspberries for our raspberry glaze, which will be used to top our cheesecake. We're doing this process first so the glaze has enough time to cool down. I really love the color of this glaze and I wish you guys could actually smell this. We are going to add a cornstarch slurry to thicken up our glaze. Now we are going to start on our graham cracker crust from scratch. You want the graham cracker crust to be fully coated with the butter so that it sticks together easily. We're going to grease the pans with some butter and also add our graham cracker crust. Make sure you get a flat surface to help you press down and mold your crust. Now we are going to make our filling. I don't know about you guys, but when I was younger, I actually hated cheesecake because I didn't understand what it was made out of. I thought it was straight up cream cheese. But now that I have made it myself, I have grown to really enjoy it. I would definitely say it's one of those mature foods like caviar and oysters. I'm going to use my mixer to blend everything together and slowly add in heavy cream. I will be tasting and adjusting until it's the right consistency and flavor. For molding your cheesecake, make sure to always start in the middle and gradually start evening it out until the filling is completely flat. Now you're going to add in your raspberry filling onto the cheesecake and move the sides of the cake pan around so that the glaze can get all over the cheesecake. Put it in the refrigerator to set for 15 to 20 minutes. Now this is the finished product of the no-bake cheesecake. For the baked cheesecake, we're going to make a water bath for the pan to evenly cook the cheesecake. The water should be filled up until a quarter inch is left. After the cheesecake cools down, you're going to pour the rest of the glaze onto the baked cheesecake. Now this is the finished product. Thank you for watching.